We're joined by our friends from the SPCA, and of course this month is Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Yes.
And something that people don't think about is breast cancer in dogs.
Absolutely.
What's the kind of prevalence of that?
So it is very common in dogs that have not been spayed. So if the dog hasn't been spayed by about 2 years old, their risk goes up to about 40% of developing a mammary tumor.
And how do you see something like that? How do
you actually just feel it. It's the same way that, a woman would do a breast examination. When you're petting your dog on their belly, all dogs like that, you'll usually feel a very firm, hard lump, and it can be irregularly shaped. It can be very small. I've seen them, the size of a softball after obviously it's been going on pretty chronically. But the first sight that you would see or feel would be something that feels like a pebble, something hard and firm.
Right, and you should go see your vet. As far as treatment options for dogs, what's that look like?
So it's removal. Removal is usually required or recommended. The good news in dogs is about 50% of mammary tumors are not malignant, so those are benign masses. But the only way that we can know that for sure is by removing that mass and sending it off to a histopathology lab so they can slice that tissue and tell us exactly what cells compromise that mass.
Okay, well, checking yourself and checking your pet is also something to be aware of this month as well. And speaking of pets, who we have here?
So this is little Miss Hannah. She's about 9 months old, and she's available through adoption from Louisiana SPCA. She was found as a stray, and she looks like she's an Italian Greyhound mix.
Okay, she looks beautiful.
Isn't she cute?
Like a lot of energy. What kind of home would be a good home for Hannah?
I think Hannah would love to live in a home with some kids, a backyard, somewhere to go for rides and stuff, and go to the park. But she would be an active dog, but thankfully she's toteable. She's a carry-on size, so that would be good for any family.
I think her licking your face would say yes, you got it just right. I need that.
She wants kids, a park, all that.
Perfect. Very vocal. Anything going on at the SPCA that we need to know about? Any specials going on this month or?
Well, we always offer our low-cost wellness clinic services, and that includes vaccines, heartworm prevention, heartworm tests, as well as low-cost dentals and spay neuters. So.
All right. Always good to see you. If you need any more information on Hannah or breast cancer inside your dog, call this number right there on your screen, 504-368-5191, or you can visit the website on your screen there, la-spca.org.
Yes.